Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaroni salad with tuna fish. We'll walk through selecting the best ingredients, preparing each component, and combining them for a delicious, satisfying dish. This guide will help you create a classic, creamy macaroni salad that's perfect for any occasion. Get ready to enjoy a timeless favorite with simple steps and fantastic results. First, boil 1 pound of elbow macaroni in salted water until it's al dente. Immediately drain and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and cool it completely. This prevents the pasta from becoming mushy and soaking up too much dressing. Next, thoroughly drain 2 5-ounce cans of tuna. For the dressing, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, and 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice in a separate bowl, whisking until smooth. Now it's time to bring everything together. In a large bowl, combine your cooled macaroni, the well-drained tuna, and your finely diced vegetables like half a cup of celery and half a cup of red onion. Pour the creamy dressing over these ingredients. Gently fold everything together until it's evenly coated. For the best flavor, cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 30 minutes or, ideally, several hours. This chilling time allows all the delicious flavors to fully develop. Your delicious tuna macaroni salad is now ready to serve. Enjoy it chilled as a refreshing side dish or a satisfying light meal. For any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and refrigerate. It will stay fresh for up to 3 days. The flavors often deepen overnight, making it even better the next day. This salad is great for meal prep, and speaking of that, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.